Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, let's open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. Once you open the menu, use the up and down buttons to scroll through it and select the settings icon. Once you select it, press the middle button to enter. Then select the general settings and press the middle button. Then select pair and sync and press the middle button. Now scroll all the way down, select paired devices and press the middle button. And here we have the list of devices our watch is connected to. And as you can see, we have our Nokia phone right here. And to unpair it, select it, then press the middle button and press the middle button to confirm. Okay, once the phone is removed from the paired devices, we can go to our phone, open the settings on it, then find the option called Bluetooth or connected devices and tap on it. And here you should see the list of previously connected devices. And on this list you should see your Polar Pacer Pro. Tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget and tap on forget device. And once it disappears, you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.